Spring cleaning your home can be a rejuvenating experience, refreshing your living space and potentially improving your mental well-being. As the season changes, it's an opportunity to declutter, deep clean, and reorganize your home, making it more functional and pleasant. Here's a comprehensive guide to tackle spring cleaning effectively. Make a plan. Before diving into cleaning, create a plan. List down all the areas of your home that need attention, prioritizing from the most to the least cluttered. This could include closets, garage, attic, basement, kitchen, bedrooms, and living areas. Setting clear goals and a timeline will keep you focused and motivated. Declutter first. Begin with decluttering each area. Sort items into categories. Keep, donate, sell, and discard. Be ruthless in your decision-making. If something hasn't been used for over a year, it's likely you don't need it. This process not only clears space, but also makes the actual cleaning process smoother and faster. Deep clean room by rooms. Tackle one room at a time, starting from the top, ceilings, light fixtures, and moving to the bottom, floors. Dust all surfaces, wash windows, clean curtains and blinds, and vacuum or mop floors. Pay special attention to areas that are often overlooked, like under furniture, behind appliances and inside cabinets. Organize as you go. As you clean each room, take the opportunity to reorganize. Use storage solutions like bins, baskets, and dividers to keep things tidy. Labeling shelves and containers can also help maintain order long-term. Refresh your space. Consider rearranging furniture or adding new decorative elements to refresh your space. Sometimes a simple change in layout or a new plant can make a significant difference in how a room feels. Tackle seasonal maintenance. Spring cleaning is also a good time to address home maintenance tasks. Check your HVAC system, replace filters, clean gutters, and inspect your home for any necessary repairs. This preventive maintenance can save you time and money in the long run. Sustainable cleaning practices. Opt for eco-friendly cleaning products, or make your own from natural ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon. Not only are these options better for the environment, but they are also healthier for your family. Don't forget the exterior. Clean your home's exterior by washing windows, doors, and siding. Tidy up your yard, trim bushes, and prepare your garden for new plantings. A well-maintained exterior enhances your home's curb appeal and can be a source of pride. Make it fun. Spring cleaning doesn't have to be a chore. Play your favorite music, involve family members, and take breaks to keep the mood light. Rewarding yourself after completing tasks can also provide motivation. Maintain the cleanliness. Finally, establish a routine to maintain the cleanliness and organization of your home. Regular cleaning and decluttering can prevent the need for another major cleaning spree for a while. Spring cleaning is a rewarding task that not only improves the aesthetics of your home, but also promotes a healthier living environment. With a little planning, effort, and the right strategies, you can transform your home into a refreshed and revitalized space ready for the year ahead.